5-4-3-2, D 4-3-2-1, A minor 5-4-3-2, and then F 6-4-3-2, and then. Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Chordnificent. Today we are doing the song "You're Losing Me" by Taylor Swift. It's from The Vault. So yeah, we're gonna start off with the beginner way. I'm gonna show you the chords, and diagrams will be right here, and we get into intermediate and advanced. So I'm gonna show you how to do all the riffs. We're not using any capo, standard tuning. So the first chord is C, D minor, A minor, and then F. So C, D minor, A minor, and then F. And I'm using F major 7 here. F minor 7, A minor, and then F. A minor, and then F, right? And then we get into throw repeating. This is pre-chorus. So this is already the chorus. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. So this is now A minor. Stop, you're losing me, to F, and then G, C. You can play E minor as a passing, then back to A minor, right? And then the pre-chorus goes A minor again, F, and then G, C, E minor, and then we're back to verse 2, and the chords for that are every morning, C to D minor, and then F, right? The same progression as verse 1. C, D minor, A minor, and then F. My face was gray, but you wouldn't admit that we were sick. And then now getting into pre-chorus, which is right, that's G, A minor, and then F. Wait, say running from the way, say until it's gone. And then we're back to stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop. Until it's heart won't start anymore. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop. So that my heart won't start anymore. Just before the bridge is just A minor to F, right? So that goes, my heart won't start anymore. My heart won't start anymore. C, G, A minor, F. This is the how long. Na 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 na. G, A minor to F, A minor, do something, babe. the way to strum for the beginner is just down, down. This is intro, verse. The you say na, 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 na. Just down for each chord is enough. This is just strum. Na, 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 Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop. So again, it's just gonna be strumming down for each chord for basically all the parts, right? And then the part where I was doing I'll show you for intermediate player, which is exactly what we're getting into. So the strumming for the intermediate player is a little bit different because you want to pick individual strings, right? So for A minor, that's 5, 4, 3, 2. For D minor, that's 4, 3, 2, 1. For C, it's 5, 4, 3, 2. For F, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, or like 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for G, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 as well, right? So for the verse, for example, I sent you signals, 5, 4, 3, 2, D minor 4, 3, 2, 1, A minor 5, 4, 3, 2, and then F 6, 4, 3, 2, C 5, 4, 3, 2, D 4, 3, 2, 1, A minor 5, 4, 3, 2, and then F 6, 4, 3, 2, and then again the same strings, and then now you're gonna strum just like the beginner, but you're kind of muting the strings, right? Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Okay, and the way you're doing that is you're just holding your palm or the side of your palm over the string. So when you strum, stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Now, stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. So if you do that fast enough, stop, you're losing me. So when you just strum and mute, strum and mute, strum and mute, but then your mute is not like a full stop of the strings. It's like you're just holding over to just make them sound not as loud like this. So you can still hear it, but it's not as loud. So you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Right, and the strumming pattern there is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 times each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's gonna be it for intermediate. And then when we get into advanced player, here's where things get more interesting, because instead of just we're gonna put a flick right at the end to make that 8 instead of 7. So you have that down up right at the end. So it's 7 downs, and then you put an up right at the end. So down, 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 right. Down, up, down, 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 down. Right, so you can put down, up, or down, up. right at the end, and that'll be advanced player strumming. But there's also this right, this falls in the category of fingerstyle, but I've already showed you how to play intermediate and you already know the strings for that. So you're just bunching that up with this small little riff, which is open on your first string, open, 1, open, and then you go to the second string and play first fret. Right? So open, open, 1, open, and then second string, first fret. You just bunch that up with the chords for intermediate on the chorus, which becomes stop, you stop, you're losing me, stop, you're losing me, and then na 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 na, and that's just C, sorry, G, C, and then E minor. Right, that is pretty much all of the chords in this song, and that's how you play the whole song. If there's anything else you don't quite understand, feel free to reach out in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram if you have any other questions, and I will see you guys in the next video.